One of the most requested features from Assembly customers is the ability to send proposals. We already have a payments app and a store, but before a client ever pays you, most service businesses need to pitch them first. A proposal is that missing first step. So using Assembly's app builder, I built a proposals app that plugs directly into the tools you already use. It's for an agency, a consultant, or a firm that wants to send beautiful, professional proposals. And the best part is this is just a starting point. You can remix this app however you like. So let's dive into it. This is just a template, but let's start by creating a proposal from scratch. So let's select that same template, give it the same title, and let's give it a recipient. I create the proposal. I can edit this cover page however I like, and you'll see a bunch of pages already given from the template, and I can edit them. So let's say I want to add a chart. This is just like any slide editor. I can edit the chart into different ways to communicate things to my clients, and I can add other content as well, tables, regular text, really whatever you like. But the cool part, and let me show you one cool page, is this service selection page. And because this connects directly to Assembly, you can add services and have it be saved into Assembly, and your clients can pay right there. All right, so I added all these services, and again, these are stored in our payments app, and I can choose if I want my client to choose many or just choose one. And so let's go ahead and actually send this proposal. Great, the proposal's sent. So let me see it from the client side. So from the client side, initially there's no proposals. If I refresh, I can go and review the proposal. So I can see all of the slide that was made for me, scope of work. When I get to the proposal section, when I get to the service section, I can select, oh, I want this one, I want that one. I can choose and click accept proposal. Just get a summary, click accept, and if I jump back to the proposals page, I can see my proposal that was not just viewed, but also accepted by Charles Mutual, and I'm ready to start doing business with them. And there's some cool features here also. You can leave comments if you're not sure. You can leave comments on certain pages and say, both the client and yourself, hey, check this out. You can start a thread there to go back and forth with your client. You can view some details to see when did they view the proposal. Sometimes that might be helpful to know why haven't they responded to me. You can see some more metadata. So I encourage you to dive into this proposal builder. There's a lot of cool features here, a lot of easy ways to go manage the different proposals you send to your clients. And the best part is that you can go right and switch to the app builder and continue editing this proposal builder and make it exactly how you want it for your firm.